Here's another one, a 2016 Ford Fusion Hybrid. These are really good cars for us to sell. They do really well through the auction, especially when they have somewhere around 100,000 miles or less. Inside is decent. However, at some point, this car was in a collision, and what I suspect happened, the previous owner tried to fix the vehicle by putting these parts on the car, and unfortunately, it was probably repossessed before the repairs were made. So now we're charged with the task of beautifying it and bringing it back to life on Junk to Gems. Hey guys, making real progress on a 2016 Ford Fusion. We have all the miscellaneous mismatched electrical parts finished and hooked up. AC is ice cold, cooling fans are working correctly. Now the only thing that we need to do is get it painted for the auction. The saga is fastly approaching to its end. The 2016 Fusion is taped up, it's ready. AC is ice cold, cooling fans are working properly. All the check engine lights and service lights on the dashboard have been correctly eliminated. And now it's time for the paint.
A few moments later.
There it is, it's finished. The 2016 Ford Fusion Pearl White. Look how that pearl matches perfectly. They said I'll never get it to match, but I did. Beautiful, beautiful car. This is it. And this is basically what we do. We take the ugliest, most cosmetically challenged cars out there, and we make them to something beautiful like this, and we wholesale them back through the auction. Another one down.